Hello guys, welcome to my new video. And the I'm going to teach the book intermediate, okay, English grammar. Okay, it is the edition of the second edition of, and it was the provided by Cambridge University. So I have thought of unit 1, and in this video, in this class, I will teach the unit 2, present indefinite, present simple tense. Okay, so the structure of the present simple tense: subject plus verb 1 plus verb 5 plus object. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, you have to follow. And verb 1 is used with the with subject I, we, you. Okay, they, and plural. Okay, plural name. Okay, and verb 5 is used with the subject he, she. Okay, it. So come study the example and situation. Okay, so there is the boy, you can see, and right now she is sleeping. He is sleeping, and his name is Alex. Alex is a bus driver. ये क्या है? बस ड्राइवर है. बट नाउ ही इज इन द स्लीप. स्लीप एक एडजेक्टिव है. ओके, जिसका मतलब होता है सोया. ओके, जो अभी बेड पर सोया है. सो ही इज नॉट ड्राइविंग ए बस, ही इज ए स्लीप. और अभी बस नहीं चला रहा है. ठीक है, अभी वो क्या है? सोया है. बट ही ड्राइव्स ए बस. नाउ here I am talking about the his hobbies, his passion. Okay, what does he do? So he drives a bus. So if anyone asks you, what does you do, what does your father do, what does your mother do, so it means they ask about your father passions, hobby, and duty. That time you can make it, you can give the answer in present simple tense या simple present you can say. Okay, so drive, work, do. Okay, is the simple present simple. I, we, you, they. Okay, it with these with the help of with the subject I, we, you, they, we use verb 1. It means base form of the verb drive, work, do. Okay, and he, see, it, and similar name, you have to add s, es in the verb. So use number B. Okay, we use the present simple tense to talk about the things in general. कोई भी general अगर बात हम करते हैं तो उसमें हम present simple यूज करते हैं. जैसे like I am a boy, I am a teacher. Okay, so it is also speak in present simple. We are not thinking only about now. We use it to say that something happens all the times or repeatedly. Okay, or that something is true in general. It is also used like something is true. Okay, you can't change it. Like you can say 2 and 2 4 होता है, so you can make it 2 and 2 is 4. Okay, so like सूरज पूरब में उगता है, पूरब से उगता है. ओके, पूरब में उगता है तो क्या बनाते हैं? द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट, जिसको हम ट्रू है, जिसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जिसको हम यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ भी बोलते हैं. सो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस इज यूज्ड इन यूनिवर्सल 1 minute universal truth. Okay, and it is also used for hobbies like right now you are playing cricket, and right now you like to play cricket. But in childhood, uh, I'm talking about, like I can say, uh, when I was when I can say I used to hesitate. 6 months ago, I used to hesitate to speak English, but now I speak English fluently. So I compare. Okay, so I'm it is also used for habit. Okay, habit. If you want to show habit, daily routine, so present indefinite tense is used. So we are going to, it is not important whether the action is happening at the time of the speaking. So it is not used. Like if action is happening time of the speaking, that time you have to speak the this sentence in present continuous tense. But if action is not happening time of the speaking, that time you can say it present indefinite टेंस. सो नर्स लुक आफ्टर, लुक आफ्टर मतलब होता है देखभाल करना. ओके, नर्स लुक आफ्टर पेशेंट्स इन हॉस्पिटल. सो हमेशा करती है, इन फ्यूचर नर्स करती थी, अभी भी करती है, और आगे फ्यूचर में भी, इन पास्ट में करती थी, अभी भी करती है, फ्यूचर में भी करेगी. सो इसका नर्स का हैबिट बता रहे हैं. सो इसको हम बताएंगे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में. आई यूजली गो अवे एट वीकेंड. वीकेंड मीन्स मतलब पहले भी जाते थे, अभी भी जाते हैं, आज भी जाते हैं, है ना, और आगे भी जाएंगे. द अर्थ गोज राउंड द सन. ये ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है जो कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकते. वी कांट चेंज इट. So true statement is also used in present indefinite tense. Yeah, simple present tense. The earth. Okay. Remember that we say he, she, it. Don't forget the s. Okay. It means he, she, it with the subject he, she, it. We have to use the verb plus s. Yeah, yes. So I work. If you want to say I work, so if you want to talk about the third person, okay, like he, so he works. Okay, they teach means my sister teaches. Okay, you have to speak. So there is the appendix 6. We can see the spelling, how to add s or es. And next move to the sixth section. We use do, does to make the question or negative sentence. Like if you want to ask any question, okay, like do you like cricket, do you like study, do you like dance. Okay, so you have to use do and does. Do is used with I, we, you, they. Okay, and does is used he, she, it. So you can also make the sentence. Okay, the negative sentence, the structure of negative. Okay, you can say subject, okay, don't or doesn't, doesn't plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, and interrogative, you can make the do, does, okay, and subject plus verb 1 plus object. This is the structure of negative and interrogative of present indefinite tense. So remember, in negative sentence and interrogative sentence, always use the verb 1. Okay, and affirmative we use verb 1 and verb 5. You can see. So in negative, like if someone where is Sita, so you can say I don't know. It means I don't know. Okay, I don't go to the school I don't go to the office. Okay, I don't study. You can say, okay, you can say, make it in negative sentence also. I come from Canada. Where do you come from? आप कहाँ से हो? Okay, so these types of question you can ask. Okay, would you like a cigar tea? No thanks, I don't smoke. Okay, so you have to make like what does this word means. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What means this word? ऐसे नहीं पूछना है what does, like because in WH word, WH का स्ट्रक्चर होता है WH word. WH it means why, how, when, okay, who. WH word plus do, okay, does plus subject plus verb one plus object. Okay, so you have to follow. In the following example, do is also is the main verb. Do भी main verb होता है. So you can say also what do you do? आप क्या करते हो? It means what is your job? आपका काम क्या है? And I work in shop. Someone is telling the answer to that answer. I work in shop. He is so lazy. He doesn't do any work to help me. It means in past he is still lazy. He was lazy, and in present he is lazy, and future he will be lazy. So that time you can say he doesn't do anything to help me. Okay, so we use the present simple when we say how often. How often means कितना बार. Okay, कितने बार, कितने समय. Okay, do things like I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. So कब, it means कब भी होता है. Okay, कब उठते हो? तो usually I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I am getting, you can't say, because you get up at 8 o'clock every day. Okay, so if you want to represent your hobby, that time you can use the present indefinite tense. How often do you go to the dentist? How often मतलब आप कितने बार डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते हो? So because I'm talking about hobby or duty. Okay, that time you can use present, simple present tense. Anna doesn't drink tea very often. वो कभी अक्सर ही, अक्सर होता है, very often मतलब अक्सर ही वो चाय पीती है. उसका हॉबी के बारे में बात हो रहा है. इन समर जॉन यूजली प्ले टेनिस वंस और ट्विंस ए वीक. वंस और एक बार, और ट्विंस मतलब 2 बार. ओके, एंड इन सेक्शन ई I use, I promise, I applies. Okay, these types of sentence we use the present indefinite tense. Sometimes we do thing by saying something. For example, when the promise to do something, you say I promise. Okay, and when you suggest something, okay, you can say I suggest. You are not, you can't say I'm suggesting, I'm promising. That time, that things you can't say. You can say I promise. इट में मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस करता हूँ, वादा करता हूँ. आई सजेस्ट, मैं आपको सजेस्ट करता हूँ. ओके, सो दिस थिंग्स वी यूज द प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. ओके, आई प्रॉमिस आई वॉन्ट बी लेट. मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि मैं लेट नहीं होगा. ओके, आई एम प्रोमिसिंग, ये नहीं होगा. What do you suggest I do? आप मुझसे क्या सजेस्ट करते हो करने के लिए? Okay, I suggest that you can also say. In the same way, I applies, advise. Okay, and this word also you can use. So in this video I explain the unit second, and in the next video I will explain the exercise of the unit 2. You can see this is the exercise of the unit 2. You can take the photo and try to the solve it. Okay, and so meet you. Okay, so bye and take care.